The cam dance.
Say, welcome back to Two Tracks Outdoors.
Say 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Yeah.
Today's episode, 2 Track Outdoors. What are we doing today? We got Uncle Bubs Jeep out of winter storage. We don't drive our Jeeps in the winter unless we're going out snow wheeling, trailer them to the woods because there's so much salt. For some reason, Michigan needs a bunch of salt. So we got 2020 vehicles that are rusting out already. So we choose to not drive them in the salt. Salty salt. We drive meters. Blinker works. Left blinker works. Motor's got oil. Transmission's got trans fluid, if we're allowed to say that anymore these days. If not, I'm sorry. There's a deer.
Excuse me?
Train your mind not to cuss. Work on cussing. Work on your motor noise.
Work on motor noises over cussing.
Whatever you need to do.
Got it. Check. Brandon is quite literally the biggest pain in my butt. Like, by far, the biggest nightmare.
You train for that, though. You can train for the pain. I think you're gonna film us going over the hill so you can get out.
Yep. My thoughts exactly. What's the sound that a motor makes? I suck at motor sounds.
You don't suck, you just gotta practice.
Please explain to me how you practice motor sounds. What do you gotta do?
Practice.
I know, but please
Try
explain to me how you practice. Womp, womp, womp.
No, that's not it. Look it up. Look up on YouTube how to practice motor noises with your mouth.
Well, you guys comment down below. Like, if I have a good motor noise, let me know. I thought that was crazy.
Yeah, watch your mouth.